For a long time now, many marketers in Nigeria and across Africa have been asking a very important question. How do I install TikTok Pixel on Seller so that I can run full conversion ad? Now, even though there is a possibility to that using Google Tag Manager, many still find that difficult and complicated to navigate through. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple way to get that done in less than 5 minutes. So stay with me till the end of this video to learn the step-by-step process on how to integrate the TikTok Pixel on your seller store so that you can begin to run your conversion ad. Whether you are an affiliate marketer, a digital product seller, an advertiser, this video is probably going to be the first and the best you are going to be seeing on how to install your TikTok Pixel on your seller store without using Google Tags Manager. Let's dive in. All right, so to install your TikTok Pixel on your seller store, I want to first of all assume that you already have the TikTok Ads Manager. And also, I want to recommend that you use a laptop or a PC, a desktop, right, to get this done, right? Don't try to use phone. Phone can work, but in order not to be stressed, right, I recommend you use a laptop, okay? So you have your TikTok Ads Manager account created, properly set up, right? So we are talking about installing the Pixel, right? TikTok Pixel on your seller store. So the second thing is that you have got to have your seller account set up, right? And I mean your creator account, because on seller you have these 3 accounts. You can see creator profile, you can see affiliate profile, you can as well see customer profile. Okay, so have your either the creator profile or affiliate profile. The truth is that once you create one, right, it creates creator profile automatically. From there you can create the affiliate profile and as well the customer profile, right? So I created this new creator profile on seller yesterday because I wanted to do this video. So if you notice here, you see it's just one product that I've added to this, right? So this is not my main seller account, okay? So you have your TikTok Ads Manager account set up and you also have your seller account, the creator profile set up, okay? Now, the next thing we'll do, let's return to TikTok Ads Manager. This is the dashboard and this is the particular Ads Manager account I want to link to my seller. In other words, I want to install the Pixel to seller, okay? So what I will do is I will come to Tools, over on Tools, and head over to Event Manager. Click on Event Manager. Okay, from this point, I'll urge you to pay attention to the steps I'm going to be taking, right? So first of all, come here where it says Connect Data Source, click on it. And then let's click on Web. And then Next. So here, we'll add seller.com. Okay? And then click on Next. So we have 2 options here, partner integration and manual setup. So click on manual setup and click on Next. Now click on this TikTok Pixel, the one at the middle, and then click on Next. So at this point, we're going to name our pixel, okay? So let's name it Seller Pixels, okay? And then down here, we click on Create. And so it brings us here, okay? Now let me take you to seller so that you see something. Let's get to seller. So these are seller dashboard, all right? A new seller account I created, I showed you earlier, okay? Now come to this hamburger icon here, the 3 lines up here, click on it. Then you see this drop down menu here, okay? So let's scroll down to integration. I think I passed it. Integration. This is it here. Click on integrations, okay? Now, before now, we have all integrations, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, and now can you see TikTok Pixel is new, okay? We also have MailChimp and these other ones. They have all been here, okay? But TikTok Pixel is new, okay? So click on TikTok Pixel. All right, so you notice here is asking us for our TikTok Pixel ID, right? So how do we get that? That's the first thing to know how to do. So let's return to this place, our TikTok Ads Manager, okay? So how do we get the ID at this point in time? Simply come here where it says email instructions, click on it. And can you see Pixel ID? Can you see it down here? So copy it. I've clicked on it to copy it. We can now close down this one, okay? Now let's get to this place. Remember how we came here? We clicked on this place and we went to integrations and then TikTok Pixels, right? So that code we copied, we come here and we paste it. And then update TikTok pixel. So success, can you see TikTok pixel setting updated successfully? Okay, now let's return to our TikTok Ads Manager. And at this point in time, we are not copying any code here. So leave this code the way it is. We just come here and click on next. Okay, then leave everything the way they are here. Click on next. And for those places now, you are going to be adding your store URL, seller store URL, not seller.com now, right? The URL, our store URL, that's what we're going to be entering at this point. So how do you get that? So let's return to seller and then to this hamburger icon, the 3 lines up here. And now let's go to settings, general settings. If you click on settings, you'll see the drop down menu. Then you see general store settings, click on it. And so I already have my store username. So when you have your store username, you will now have the store URL like this. All right. So this is the store URL. So I'm copying it now. I've copied it. So I return to those place and I want to paste it here. Okay. Now it's giving error because I added the HTTPS 2 times. So I'm going to delete that. Okay, so these are store URL, right? So now when I click on launch event builder, you will see that it will work. So do you see it brought us here? Okay, so at this point we want to track a product page, right? So you must have created that product page, maybe a digital product, a service product, whichever one. So in my case, I've created this one. Let me close down here. So I've created this product. I will come to the name of this product and I will click on it. Then it opens up here. Okay, so I can still click here to see everything about this product, right? Now what I want to track is this button, this buy now button. Okay, so how do I do that? I will now come here to click add event and I'll click on button clicks and then I'll click on this button, then I'll click on next. I want to name this event. I'll call it initial checkout. Yeah, and then I'll say create events. So he has already created it. If you go to all event, can you see the events here? Okay, so if I have another product I also want to track, the same thing applies. If I want to track this product page as a whole, what I will do is I'll come to add events, and instead of button clicks, I'll come to URL and click on next. That's URL visit, and I'll click on next. And here, of course, I'll come here and I'll select maybe view product. Let's see if we have view content, right? Then here I'll add this product extension, right? The ending part of that product URL. So I'll add it here and I'll click on create event. So can you see this one is initial checkout? This one is view content. Can you see? So that's how to do it. So you do this for as many product page as you want to track, okay? So by the time we are done, we click on finish setup. But before we click that, let's come here again. Let's suppose I didn't put this my store URL, the ending part to this. I just put seller.com at this stage. So let's load this event and see what happens. Did you see what happened now? It returns us here and it was giving error, okay? So it must be your store URL that you add here at this second stage. At the first stage, we added seller.com, but at this second stage, it is your store URL. And I told you just come here and then click here, go to settings, and it brings you here. Then this is your store URL, which I said to copy. Okay. So when you copy it and come here, paste it here, and then when you load it, it will go successfully. Okay. So can you see it brought us here and this loaded well. Okay. So this is the one we are working on. So we now click on finish setup and then exit now. Okay. So we are done. Let's return to TikTok. So at this point in time, we just come here and click on next. Okay, now you can go ahead to install this TikTok Pixel Helper, right? This will help you see whether your pixel is firing, okay? So you can click here and go ahead to install it. I think I've already installed it, right? This is my TikTok Pixel Helper. It's already installed, okay? To see if our pixel is working using the TikTok Pixel Helper, I can just come here and click. Can you see? Page view, can you see? So it's already working. Seller pixel is active, okay? returning here now, we can just click on finish. Okay. So right here now, you can see seller pixels. Okay. So at this point, we can go ahead to try setting up a conversion ad, whether sales or lead, to see whether our pixel will show, right? So let me click on campaign. I can do it from here, but let's go to campaign. All right, let me quickly do this just to show you that the pixel is showing. So quickly, I come here to select, let me close this. So quickly, I come here to select sales, and then let's go with manual campaign. Now you can still name here. Let's just name it seller pixels. Okay, so we can continue. We are not setting up this ad. We just want to see whether the pixel we set up is showing, right? So can you see here now this website? Can you see seller pixels, right? So down here, we selected view content. This is the last one we set, but we also did the other one. Was it again? Initial checkout. That one will take a little time to show. Okay, so this one is already showing, right? So we'll wait for that one. I'm trying to find it here. Initial checkout. Okay, that's it here. So with time, this one will also come up, be active. All right. So once it's active, I can as well select it. But for now, what I might do is just to go ahead to use this view content. Okay. So it will track anybody visiting that product page. Okay. So you go ahead and set up your ad and then run your ad successfully. Now, take notes. This is just an update on our TikTok Ads Made Easy course. We also have Snapchat Ads Made Easy course. And for this week, anybody that gets the TikTok Ads Made Easy course, I'm going to be giving the person access to our Snapchat Ads Made Easy course. Okay. Now, if you've not subscribed to this channel, this is Profit Leverage Ads, where we make social media ad very easy for you, just like the video you just saw. Okay. So I want you to subscribe now, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next interesting update. See you in the next update.